welcome to my channel. I'm doing another roller set today. Now I did roller sets for like years off and on, and I really liked them. But then when I let my relaxer grow out and became completely chemical free, I started experimenting with more natural hairstyles. For example, twist out, which I've perfected for me and I absolutely love it. But lately I've been doing a few roller sets and perm rod sets, and I have that spark again. So hence the perm rod set again. I just did a video right before this one with these same orange perm rods, and that perm rod set was magnificent. I actually got a lot of compliments this past week, which was really sweet. People I knew, people I didn't know. So it was odd, but I appreciated it, and it made me feel really good. I am switching things up a little bit for this current video. So last week, my previous video, I used these same perm rods, but I used a styling custard by Texture ID Curls. I didn't know that I didn't know how it would come out. It was my first time using it. Like I said, my rod set came out fantastic. So I'm switching that up today, and I'm using a mousse. It's by Design Essentials Naturals. So I'm using a mousse today. I am using the same leave-in that I used for my previous rod set, and I've never paired this leave-in with this mousse before, so I'm really hoping for great results. And the second thing I'm changing for this current perm rod set, last time I rolled my hair around the base of the rod, which I'm still doing, but I did like this winding motion up to my scalp, and it worked out okay. The curls were the bomb, but I noticed that my hair, what I tried to avoid happened. My hair was kind of puffy at the root. I don't think it bothered anybody but me, because I was getting shouts out and much love for my hair, but it was for my comfort. I just felt like I could do better, and I'm doing just a basic roll up this week with these perm rods, and we'll see how that goes. And there are so many ways that women and girls put their perm rods in. As long as you get the beautiful, shiny, bouncy curls that you like, and I get the beautiful, bouncy curls that I like, that's all that matters. How you get there is not that important. So like I said, I'm not doing that windy thing and then kind of twist at the root like I did. If I can, I will insert a quick video clip of what I'm talking about. I can show you a lot better than I can tell you. But for today, I have most of my, oops, what was that? I've got most of my perm rods in. I just have actually this section of my hair left, just this top front section, front right section. If you want to see a perm rod set, there are a million of them on YouTube. I just wasn't going to do my whole head, but I will do this one so you can see. Y'all, I had to sleep in my rollers last night because even after an hour and a half under the dryer, my hair was still not dry, and it better be dry now. And it's so hot. I think I have a beautiful bonnet. It's inside out, but you can use it inside out, but I think it traps in heat. So the rollers were not comfortable, as you can imagine, and then I just felt like my head was steaming. But anyway, as I take my hair down, first thing I notice, my curls are a lot softer than they were. They're very soft, softer than when I used the custard. I love the way the custard made my hair feel. It gave me a little bit of some firmness or some hold. These are super soft, and although they're pretty, with this heat and humidity, I wonder how long they'll last. Oh, see, they're so cute. Love perm rod sets. Hey friends, I'm back to show you my the final results of my hair with my take 2 on an orange perm rod set. So my hair right now is actually, I guess technically this is day 2. I did my hair late Saturday night, and I put this top on, by the way, because I thought I was going to finish my hair Saturday night. Turns out it was not completely dry, even after sitting under the dryer for an hour and a half. So I'm picking back up today, which is Monday. But anyway, I like my hair. My curls look really good. And what I did different, if you're just tuning in, what I did different is curl my hair a different way. That's all. A different method with the perm rods. But I like it. I still have, I just think it's so cute. I've got body. And I do wish that what I wasn't able to achieve was getting my roots flat. They look nice on camera here, and they look good in person too. But what I had in my mind, this was not my expectation, because it's a little puffy, but then you've got the spirally pretty curls. So I do like it. I will say, let me remind you what I used. First of all, I used a leave-in conditioner. This is the Texture ID Curl Enhancing Primer. And then I used a mousse by Design Essentials Naturals. This is the Almond and Avocado. And now that I think about it, when I've used this in the past, I do think my hair came out pretty soft. And mixing these two together probably made it even softer, which is why, yeah, there's no crunch, no real hold. So I don't know. I hope it lasts pretty good. I just kind of have a feeling, you know, it may puff up on me in a few days, but that's okay too, because I can just redo it. So yeah, I am really on a perm rod kick. You know how you do something, or you try something for the first time and it's just like the best thing, or you revisit something you haven't done in a long time. That's what I'm doing. That's the phase I'm in with these perm rod sets. And y'all, I bought some more colors. Like this is the orange perm rod set. I've got, well, the ones that I haven't shown you yet are the big black jumbo ones, and they're so big. I'm experimenting with them to make sure I don't come on looking crazy, but those will come next, I think. Just look out for those, the big jumbo black rollers. And what I have in my mind is big, beautiful, bouncy curls. We shall see. But thank you for watching this video. I just want to come back and just give you a follow-up. My hair is gorgeous. To me, it's a little soft though. But it looks really good. And all I do at night to maintain this look, and same thing for my twist outs, I just pull all of my hair up into a pineapple with a scrunchie, and I don't put the scrunchie on real tight. It's loose. Take it down in the morning and just kind of shake it down and do what you want to do. Y'all, I use edge control for the first time in a long time. I haven't used an edge product in years because it breaks me out. But for this style, I don't know, I picked up a teeny small thing of edge control, and I haven't started itching yet, which is a good thing, so we'll see. Maybe I found one that works for me. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you want to see other perm rod videos, give this video a thumbs up. And also, I have a few previous perm rod videos. Be sure to check those out too. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.